Hello everyone. I'm on the way to the airport. I'm going to do a little flying around sunset. Haven't done that in a while. It's very beautiful and peaceful. Usually I can get some really good video and pictures. I'm going to stop by and buy some fuel first. And no, I'm not buying the fuel at the airport. I'm buying the fuel at a gas station. My airplane can burn ethanol-free fuel, and I can buy that at several gas stations in the area, minimum of 87 octane. It's considered marine fuel around here, and a lot of places don't have ethanol-free fuel, but we do, and my airplane has a supplemental type certificate, an STC, that allows me to burn that fuel in it, and I can save anywhere from $2 to $4 or more a gallon over 100 low lead aviation fuel. So it just makes good sense to buy it. I usually will fill up with ethanol free fuel before I go on a cross country, and of course I usually have to buy aviation fuel elsewhere, but for flying around here it saves me quite a bit of money and doesn't build up any lead deposits in my airplane. So I'll pick back up when I get to the airport, and hopefully I'll get some really beautiful sunset video and some beautiful still shots too. Okay, a little bit more about the auto fuel that I burn. As I said, it's ethanol free. I don't test every batch that I get, but I do test to make sure that it is ethanol free. These older airplanes are not made for the ethanol. The ethanol is corrosive. Newer cars are engineered to handle the ethanol, but these older airplanes are not. So it would affect the rubber hoses and stuff that transfer fuel to the engine and seriously degrade them over time. What I do is hoist 5-gallon cans on top of the wing and pour the fuel through a mister funnel so it filters out anything that might be in there. Generally, it's very clean generally, and then it's done. So it's a little bit labor intensive versus going down to the fuel island and putting the handle in and filling it up, but it's a lot cheaper, more cost effective, and while I can burn the fuel, I'm going to do so. Night flying. I'm not going to fly tonight. The FAA considers night to be about an hour after sunset to an hour before sunset. So I'd have to wait around quite a bit to get my night flying in. To fly a passenger at night, I have to have 3 landings to a full stop in the 30 days of flying a passenger. So I'm not going to get night current tonight, but I am going to fly before sunset. Generally about 20 minutes to 10 minutes before sunset's really good time. Even after the sun goes down, really it's quite striking, especially if there are a lot of clouds. So I'm going to try and get the pre-flight done and the airplane fueled and out of here so I can get some good sunset pictures. I'm going to set the GoPro to take video and stills at the same time. So hopefully it'll turn out good. Thanks.